You walk into an auto repair shop and ask the head mechanic, if your own family needed an SUV that would outlast a nuclear winter, what would you buy? The answer might surprise you. After decades of wrenching on everything from luxury European disasters to bulletproof Japanese workhorses, professional mechanics have witnessed firsthand which SUVs keep running when everything else has given up. Today, we're revealing the 7 SUVs that mechanics actually recommend to their own families. Vehicles so reliable that seasoned professionals bet their reputations on them. These aren't just reliable SUVs, these are the automotive equivalent of cockroaches, built to survive anything you throw at them while asking for nothing more than basic maintenance. 1 point, Toyota Land Cruiser. When mechanics talk about SUVs that truly last forever, one name dominates every conversation: the Toyota Land Cruiser. The 2025 Land Cruiser represents the return of an absolute legend, and mechanics around the world are celebrating because they know what this SUV can do when properly maintained. The all-new 2025 Land Cruiser is powered by a hybrid powertrain combining a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motors, producing a combined 326 horsepower. While some might worry about hybrid complexity, Toyota's hybrid systems have proven exceptionally reliable over decades of real-world use, and mechanics who service these vehicles consistently report minimal issues. What makes mechanics absolutely swear by the Land Cruiser is its body-on-frame construction. While most modern SUVs use unibody designs that prioritize comfort over durability, the Land Cruiser maintains its truck-based architecture that can withstand decades of punishment. Mechanics love working on body-on-frame vehicles because components are accessible, replaceable, and built to be serviced. The Land Cruiser's approach to four-wheel drive prioritizes mechanical simplicity and bulletproof reliability. The system uses time-tested components including a 2-speed transfer case and robust differentials that mechanics can service with basic tools. Unlike complex electronic AWD systems that require specialized diagnostic equipment, the Land Cruiser's 4WD system uses proven technology that any competent mechanic can maintain. Suspension components on the Land Cruiser are designed for extreme durability. The front independent suspension and rear solid axle use heavy-duty components that mechanics regularly see lasting well beyond 200,000 miles. When components do wear out, they're straightforward to replace and readily available from multiple suppliers. Interior durability in the Land Cruiser reflects Toyota's understanding that this SUV will be used in harsh conditions for decades. Switches, controls, and trim pieces are all selected for their ability to function reliably under extreme conditions. Mechanics appreciate that electrical components are well sealed and use robust connectors that resist corrosion. The Land Cruiser's maintenance schedule is refreshingly straightforward. Mechanics love recommending the Land Cruiser because they know owners won't be making frequent, expensive visits to the shop. Toyota's global parts network ensures that Land Cruiser components are available anywhere in the world. Mechanics appreciate this because they can always get the parts they need to keep these SUVs running, whether for routine maintenance or unexpected repairs. Real-world evidence supports mechanics' faith in the Land Cruiser. In many developing countries, Land Cruisers from the 1980s and 1990s are still providing daily transportation with minimal maintenance. This kind of longevity is exactly why mechanics recommend the Land Cruiser to families who want an SUV they can depend on for decades. 2. Lexus LX. The Lexus LX represents everything mechanics love about the Land Cruiser, wrapped in luxury appointments that somehow manage to be just as durable as the truck underneath. The highest marks go to the 2020 Nissan Armada and 2018 Lexus GX, which each achieved a 91 out of 100 predicted reliability score, and the LX continues this tradition of exceptional dependability. Built on the same platform as the Land Cruiser, the LX inherits all the mechanical durability that makes mechanics recommend its less expensive sibling. The same robust body-on-frame construction, proven four-wheel drive system, and heavy-duty suspension components that make the Land Cruiser legendary are present in the LX with additional luxury refinements. The LX's naturally aspirated V8 engine represents decades of refinement in Toyota's approach to large displacement engines. This power plant uses conservative engineering and premium internal components designed to provide reliable operation well beyond 300,000 miles. Mechanics appreciate the engine's accessibility and the fact that service procedures are well documented and straightforward. What sets the LX apart in mechanics' recommendations is Lexus's approach to luxury durability. Rather than using cutting-edge technology that might prove unreliable, Lexus incorporates proven systems with premium materials and exceptional build quality. The air suspension, electronics, and interior components are all designed to function reliably for decades. Electrical systems in the LX benefit from Lexus's conservative engineering philosophy and rigorous quality control. Mechanics consistently report that LX electrical components have lower failure rates than most luxury SUVs, primarily because Lexus prioritizes proven technology over the latest innovations that might prove problematic. The LX's interior quality reflects Lexus's commitment to materials that will maintain their appearance and functionality for decades. Mechanics working on high-mileage LX models regularly comment on how well interior components have held up compared to other luxury SUVs of similar age and mileage. Real-world reliability data supports mechanics' confidence in the LX. Owner surveys consistently show exceptional long-term reliability, with many LX owners reporting trouble-free operation well beyond 200,000 miles. This kind of real-world performance is exactly what mechanics look for when making recommendations to their families. 3. Honda Pilot. If you're looking for the most reliable SUV for the money, the Toyota Highlander and Honda Pilot offer excellent value and dependability, and mechanics consistently recommend the Pilot as one of the most dependable three-row SUVs available. The Pilot's naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine represents Honda's decades of experience with reliable engine design. This power plant uses conservative engineering and proven internal components that mechanics regularly see providing reliable service well beyond 250,000 miles. The engine's design prioritizes longevity over maximum performance, exactly the approach mechanics appreciate. Honda's approach to the Pilot's transmission reflects the company's commitment to long-term reliability. The 9-speed automatic transmission has been extensively tested and refined to ensure smooth operation and exceptional durability. Mechanics appreciate that transmission service is straightforward and that internal components are designed for extended service intervals. The Pilot's all-wheel drive system uses Honda's proven real-time AWD design, which automatically manages power distribution between front and rear wheels through a simple mechanical system. Mechanics love this design because it avoids complex electronic controls that can fail, instead relying on proven mechanical components that can be serviced with basic tools. Suspension components on the Pilot are designed for the demands of three-row SUV duty, while maintaining exceptional longevity. Independent front and rear suspension systems use high-quality components that mechanics regularly see lasting well beyond typical ownership periods. When components do wear out, they're readily available and reasonably priced. Interior durability in the Pilot reflects Honda's understanding that this SUV will be used by families for many years. Controls, switches, and trim pieces are all selected for their ability to withstand constant use by multiple passengers. Mechanics appreciate that electrical components are well protected and use robust connections. The Pilot's electrical architecture prioritizes simplicity and reliability over cutting-edge features. Mechanics consistently report that Pilot electrical systems have lower failure rates than most three-row SUVs, primarily because Honda uses proven technology rather than implementing the latest innovations that might prove problematic. Real-world reliability data consistently supports mechanics' confidence in the Pilot. Independent research organizations regularly rank the Pilot among the most reliable three-row SUVs, and mechanics' own experiences servicing these vehicles confirm their exceptional dependability over the long term. 4. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner has always been a symbol of rugged dependability in the SUV market, and the 2025 4Runner keeps that legacy alive. Mechanics who've worked on 4Runners from every generation consistently recommend this SUV as one of the most durable vehicles ever built. The completely redesigned 2025 4Runner maintains its body-on-frame construction while incorporating modern powertrains and technology. The new turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid system provides improved efficiency while maintaining the bulletproof reliability that mechanics expect from Toyota's truck-based SUVs. What makes mechanics absolutely swear by the 4Runner is its mechanical simplicity combined with exceptional build quality. Unlike modern SUVs that incorporate complex systems for improved efficiency, the 4Runner prioritizes proven technology that any mechanic can service and repair. This philosophy creates an SUV that will continue running long after more complex vehicles have failed. The 4Runner's four-wheel drive system represents the gold standard for mechanical reliability. The part-time system uses a 2-speed transfer case and robust axles that mechanics can service with basic tools. Unlike electronic AWD systems that require specialized diagnostic equipment, the 4Runner's 4WD system can be maintained by any competent mechanic anywhere in the world. Suspension components on the 4Runner are designed for extreme durability and off-road capability. The front independent suspension and rear solid axle use heavy-duty components that mechanics regularly see, lasting well beyond 300,000 miles. When components do wear out, they're straightforward to replace and competitively priced. Interior durability in the 4Runner reflects Toyota's understanding that this SUV will be used in harsh conditions for decades. Materials, switches, and controls are all selected for their ability to function reliably under extreme conditions. Mechanics appreciate that interior components are simple, robust, and easy to service when needed. The 4Runner's electrical systems prioritize reliability over cutting-edge features. Toyota uses proven electronic components and robust wiring that can withstand harsh environmental conditions. Mechanics consistently report that 4Runner electrical problems are rare, and when they do occur, diagnosis and repair are straightforward. Real-world evidence of the 4Runner's exceptional durability is everywhere. In developing countries around the world, 4Runners from the 1990s and 2000s continue providing reliable daily transportation with minimal maintenance. This kind of proven longevity is exactly why mechanics recommend the 4Runner to anyone who wants an SUV that will truly last forever. 5. Honda CR-V. When it comes to low-maintenance SUVs, the Chevrolet Equinox and Honda CR-V stand out, and mechanics consistently recommend the CR-V as one of the most reliable compact SUVs ever built. Its combination of Honda engineering and practical design creates an SUV that mechanics know will provide decades of trouble-free service. The CR-V's turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine represents Honda's careful approach to forced induction. Rather than pushing for maximum performance, Honda designed this engine for long-term reliability, using conservative boost levels and robust internal components that mechanics regularly see lasting well beyond 200,000 miles. Honda's continuously variable transmission in the CR-V has been extensively refined to address early reliability concerns. Mechanics who service current-generation CR-Vs consistently report that transmission issues are rare, and the CVT design eliminates many potential failure points found in conventional automatics. The CR-V's all-wheel drive system uses Honda's proven real-time AWD design, which mechanics appreciate for its simplicity and reliability. The system automatically engages rear-wheel drive when needed without complex electronic controls that might fail over time. This mechanical simplicity translates directly to long-term dependability. Electrical systems in the CR-V prioritize reliability through Honda's conservative engineering philosophy. Rather than incorporating cutting-edge technology that might prove unreliable, Honda uses proven electronic components and robust wiring that mechanics know will continue functioning for decades. Suspension components on the CR-V are designed to provide good ride quality while maintaining exceptional durability. Independent front and rear suspension systems use high-quality components that mechanics regularly see lasting well beyond typical ownership periods. When service is needed, parts are readily available and reasonably priced. Interior quality in the CR-V emphasizes durability appropriate for long-term family use. Control switches and trim pieces are all selected for their ability to withstand constant use over many years. Mechanics appreciate that interior components are simple, well-designed, and unlikely to fail. Real-world reliability data consistently supports mechanics' confidence in the CR-V. Independent research organizations regularly rank the CR-V among the most reliable compact SUVs, and mechanics' first-hand experiences confirm that properly maintained CR-Vs routinely exceed 250,000 miles with minimal issues. 6. Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback represents a unique approach to SUV design that mechanics consistently recommend for its exceptional reliability and capability. While technically a wagon, the Outback's raised ride height and standard all-wheel drive make it function as an SUV, and its proven reliability makes it a mechanic favorite. Subaru's Boxer engine design in the Outback contributes significantly to its exceptional reliability. The horizontally opposed four-cylinder engines create inherently balanced operation that reduces vibration and wear on internal components. Mechanics appreciate that Boxer engines typically last well beyond 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. The Outback's continuously variable transmission represents Subaru's successful refinement of CVT technology. While early CVTs had reliability issues, Subaru's current system has proven exceptionally durable in real-world use. Mechanics who service Outbacks consistently report that transmission problems are rare. Standard all-wheel drive in the Outback uses Subaru's proven symmetrical AWD system, which mechanics consider one of the most reliable AWD designs available. The system uses a simple mechanical center differential rather than complex electronic controls, making it both more reliable and easier to service. Electrical systems in the Outback benefit from Subaru's conservative engineering approach and rigorous testing. Mechanics consistently report that Outback electrical components have excellent long-term reliability, primarily because Subaru prioritizes proven technology over cutting-edge systems that might prove problematic. Suspension components on the Outback are designed to handle both on-road comfort and light off-road capability while maintaining exceptional durability. Independent front and rear suspension systems use robust components that mechanics regularly see lasting well beyond 200,000 miles. Interior quality in the Outback emphasizes durability appropriate for Subaru's outdoor-oriented customer base. Materials and components are selected for their ability to withstand harsh conditions and constant use. Mechanics appreciate that interior components are well-designed and unlikely to fail prematurely. The Outback's approach to technology emphasizes reliability over cutting-edge features. Subaru's infotainment system and safety technologies use established components that have proven reliable over years of real-world use. Mechanics know these systems are serviceable and unlikely to cause unexpected failures. Real-world reliability data supports mechanics' confidence in the Outback. Independent research shows that Outbacks regularly reach high mileages with minimal issues, and mechanics' experiences confirm that properly maintained Outbacks can provide reliable service for decades. These 7 SUVs represent the vehicles that professional mechanics trust enough to recommend to their own families. What they all share is a commitment to engineering philosophies that prioritize long-term reliability over short-term market trends. Unsurprisingly, Toyota, Lexus, and Honda make when a mechanic stakes their professional reputation on recommending a vehicle to their own family, you know you're looking at something special. These 7 SUVs have earned that level of trust through decades of proven real-world reliability, and they represent the best choices for anyone who wants an SUV that will truly last forever.